Guys, let's make celery, cantaloupe and apple juice. Guys, in this drinking recipe, I'll be showing you how you can put these three ingredients together to get an amazing healthy drinks, mostly in this summer. If you want to know how we get to this wonderful and amazing healthy drinks, keep watching, and let's dive into this recipe. So the first ingredients we are going to be using is cantaloupe. Cantaloupe is cool, delicious, and refreshing. Cantaloupe juice is an excellent source of vitamin B6, vitamin A, niacin, and folate. Additionally, it is rich in vitamin C. As a result of one of its primary advantages lies in the fact that it packs with immune-boosting nutrients and multiple antioxidants. So if you have this in your house, you know you have a beautiful and a nutritional fruit. Let's go on. I will be telling you more about this fruit. So, more about this fruit is cantaloupe and good for your stomach. Yes, cantaloupe contains dietary fiber, which contributes to digestive health. Consuming the skin also enhance the fiber content, promoting overall well-being. It is also has a high water content and provides fiber. Fiber and water can help prevent constipation, promoting regularities and a healthy digestive tract. So go on and consume it. We are going to also use apple. Apple is a wonderful fruit, guys. So another ingredients we are going to be using is apple. Apple boosts your immunity. Apple keeps you hydrated, healthier heart, improve asthma. Apple juice for weight loss can also support your memory, healthier skin, improve your eyesight. Just name but a few. And we're going to be using also the main thing there is the celery. Guys, if you have not watched my videos, I've been making a lot of videos about this amazing vegetable called celery. If you have not watched it, I will add the link also up there. Watch it out. I've made like 2-3 videos about the celery juice, what it gives to your body. I will add it there. So we are going to be washing it very properly. I'll be using apple vinegar to wash it. Okay, just wash it very properly, remove all the dirt in it. Then we are going to prepare it in a way that is gonna be very nutritious to our health. Okay, let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe. Have you tried it before? And if today is your first day joining, I am Chikwado, the mommy YouTuber based in Germany from Biafra land. Guys, kindly subscribe to my channel, give my video a thumbs up, and also share it so that other people can benefit. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Now we are going to be juicing them out. You can see I will be adding the apple, and I will be adding also the cantaloupe, and I will be also adding the celery to bring all the juice out. Guys, after drinking this juice, oh my god, you will fall asleep. You will sleep. It is very nice. Yeah, in the Saturday, in the weekend like this, just prepare it for yourself and your family. Mind you, everybody can drink this. Everybody can drink this. Yes, it's a healthy juice. Everybody can drink it. Yes, so juicing it out, you can also use your blender if you have blender. If you don't have blender, use your juice machine to juice it out. It's very simple and easy. Very simple and easy, guys. So you will see the outcome. Don't go away so that you can see the outcome of this amazing healthy drink recipe using celery, cantaloupe on the apple. You can also add ginger if it's what you want. You can also add your lemon if you want. This one, I don't want to add lemon. I don't want to add ginger, but you can also add it. It's optional, guys. So let me know. Don't forget to give me a comment. Let me know if you like this. Have you tried this before? Or are you going to try this and check it out and know how it is? Guys, I'll be making the juice of cantaloupe. I do eat it like that. But today I decided to make this juice. But before I made the juice, guys, I cannot make juice without doing research. I went to Google and I researched a lot of things, learned a lot of things to know whether the two or the both, the three of them can rhyme together, can be good for our health before I make it. Know you that any fruit juice or vegetable juice I make here, I first of all make a research before I can bring to you guys. So look at how the fiber came out without any juice again, to tell you that this machine, this juice machine, is awesome. If you can get it, you can also get it. I love it so much because it can juice and leave the chaff dry. So I can be drink it in this summer with my ice cube. It is nice when drinking with ice cube, mostly in this summer, to cool your brain down, guys, to cool your skin, your body down. So you can take 1 cup in a day. The rest of it, you can also add it in your refrigerator to stay like 2 days. You can finish it. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy it with me and let me know your take in the comment section. I'll be saying bye for now. See you next time in my next upload. Bye and have a great day.